I got a call for a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder today. The battery light was on, and the customer was convinced the alternator had quit. I gave them a quote, they agreed, and I headed over to their location in Canton. But here's why a real inspection matters. I popped the hood and saw this immediately. The alternator is fine, the belt is just gone. It's snapped, it's shredded, and it's actually a lucky break that it didn't take out any pulleys or hoses when it popped. See, modern tensioners are designed to keep the belt tight even as it stretches with age. That means you won't always hear a squeal or a warning. It'll stay quiet right up until the second it breaks. That's why you've got to change these every 60,000 miles or based on age. We saved this customer hundreds of dollars by not just throwing an alternator at it. We replaced the belt, checked the pulleys, and they're back on the road. Don't shift your life to fix your ride. Get it fixed right the first time. Call Shift and Fix.